Hey there, Whitney here, GM and daughter with Pipe Wrench Plumbing, Heating and Cooling Inc. to give you a quick overview of common bathroom plumbing service and remodeling calls that we handle. Our most common service calls are related to clogged drains, leaking or dripping faucets and shower heads, a lack of good water pressure, a lack of hot water, leaks under the sink, toilet clogs, toilets that run constantly, and toilets that no longer flush, as well as damaged pipe, repair, and replacement. We regularly offer a $99 drain cleaning special as well. We also install new tubs and showers, new sink fixtures, new tub and shower fixtures, and new toilets. We can provide new faucets and other fixtures as well as new toilets from our inventory for your convenience. Or we are happy to install fixtures, sinks, and toilets that you have purchased yourself from local vendors such as Ferguson, Modern Supply, Lowe's, Home Depot, and others. In addition to addressing service issues, we are the area's best choice for plumbing in a home remodeling project. A kitchen or bathroom remodel without a knowledgeable certified plumbing company to do the work can lead to disastrous results. You wouldn't want to invest time and money into making your bathroom look great and function more effectively, only to have water leaks and drain issues later. That would be literally money down the drain. If you're located in the Knoxville, Maryville, Oak Ridge, or Lenoir City areas, give us a call. We're here when you need us. Call 865-583-3957 or you can book online at pipewrench.com. And remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel to receive other useful homeowner tips. Thank you for watching and have a great day.